Statin drugs are, I believe, still the most popularly prescribed drugs in the country. Are they needed, and is there any benefit to our body with
Well,
those?
they're needed for the pharmaceutical industry profits. There's no question about that. They're very lucrative because they also create hosts of other diseases. The issue with cholesterol is just so far blown out of proportion. The fact is, they have those drugs because they found a way to reduce the levels of this very vital and important precursor to hormones like estrogen, testosterone, and progesterone, and so many vital neurological functions and brain health. That the idea was not to, let's say, reduce cholesterol to zero because that could kill you, but let's say we can measure a number and we can measure the number again and say, hey, the number went down. We can show that to the people and they'll say, hey, that's great, but never realizing that the numbers are pretty irrelevant in large part because most people were never tested. Like if we go to the ancestry, if you go to your great-grandma and great-grandpa to see, hey, what were their cholesterol levels when they were all eating organic food and their liver was good? What were their levels? So you can see, though, that there is lineage. Each family history will show different levels of what we call normal cholesterol. And that's never taken into consideration. They just kind of arbitrarily threw out a number, and they keep reducing that number to ensnare more people into cholesterol-lowering medications. Now, I say, if indeed, when you grow old, you don't want to know or remember anything, get on a statin drug. If you want to lose energy, if you want to have muscle aches, get on a statin drug. Literally, if you want to lose your drive, let's say sexual drive, get on a statin drug. All of these things are damaging directly, not indirectly. They're not side effects. They're direct effects of the medication. They're just the ones they don't like to advertise so well. And the fact of the matter is cholesterol does not cause heart disease. Let me say that again. Cholesterol does not cause heart disease. It is so low on the list of real risk factors that it's laughable, except for the fact, again, that it's very profitable. So I think this is one of the biggest scams of many scams the pharmaceutical and doctor industry has perpetuated on the people of planet Earth. This idea that cholesterol is dangerous when it is life-saving. It is our friend. It helps us age gracefully, stay young, and remain in good cognitive health throughout our elder years.